This is a demonstration of how to profile Firefox on Android through remote debugging. Right now I have my device down below plugged in via USB. I have about:debugging open on my Firefox nightly browser. And here I find my phone. I will connect to it, click it. Then there will be a profile performance button. I click that. And then a menu will show that lets me choose my preset that I want. I will choose Firefox platform and click start recording. And then on my phone, I will click Wikipedia, let it load, scroll through, click on English, and then scroll through that a little bit. And then up here, I will capture the recording. And it will transfer via USB to my current device. So now it opens in a new tab, and I have my profile, and I have the screenshots of the actions that I did on the phone. I have the parent process, I have the Java main thread, and I have my web content that was being profiled.